Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to play with friends in League of Legends. In order to play with your friends on League of Legends, firstly you need to convince some of your friends to hop on to League of Legends, make an account. After that, you will need to add them through the Add Friends feature on the right client. So left click on it. In here you'll need to ask them for their game name and tagline. So the game name will be whatever they choose. The tagline is normally the servers they are playing on. So if I'm currently playing on the Singapore server, my tagline should be SG2, and also my friend's tagline will be SG2 as well. After I add my friends, I will see them on my friends list in here. Now in order to play with our friends, we will click on the play button from the client. Then choose whatever game mode we want to play. So suppose we are gonna play ARAM. So I'll select ARAM, click on confirm. Now I will press on the 4 plus buttons on my both sides to add any of our friends to the lobby. I can also drag and drop any of my friend in here and they'll be invited. And also I can right click and invite them to game manually. And whenever they join the party, I can just click on find game and the match finding process will be started, and as soon as the game matches us with 5 of the other players, they'll start the game and the matchmade game will commence. So this is basically how you can play League of Legends with your friends and enjoy.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.